Good morning. Welcome to Marketing Workout. Today I want to talk about something that does affect marketing, actually pretty much all aspects of it. It's called the theory of constraints. So it came from a book called The Goal. It's probably about a 40-year-old book, but the principle still remains the same. This is especially true for dev or anytime you have a specific output, right? If you're producing a website, if you're producing creative content, graphic design, or any sort of an audit, whatever else, the idea of the theory of constraints is that any sort of a production process will have a certain amount of bottlenecks in it. This is where you can see stuff takes a long time or there's work stacked up in front of it. And if you want to improve the output of whatever that is, say you do website development, right? Maybe a certain aspect takes the longest. Maybe it's the sitemap. Maybe it's the some of the JavaScript functions. I don't know. It can be different for everybody. If you want to improve getting stuff out the door, getting stuff shipped, figure out where those bottlenecks are in the process, and then submit everything in that process to removing those bottlenecks. That's priority number one. So hypothetically speaking, again, you see this all the time in dev. When you're producing a website, there are certain aspects that typically just take forever. Take those pieces and make those going faster priority number one, and your ability to get websites out the door, on time, on budget, and the client happy go way up. So figure out, this is your exercise for today. Figure out where the bottlenecks are in whatever your process is, whatever your department is, and figure out 3 ways that you can get rid of those bottlenecks and present those to some people that can make those decisions. If it's you, fantastic. Make it happen. If it requires some meetings, make those happen too. That's today's thought.